Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to make a video on the classifications of the bryozoites. It includes both the liverworts and the mosses. So, going to the liverworts usually grow in the moist places and shady places, such as banks of the streams, marshes, grounds, and swampy barks and trees and deep in woods. The plant body of the liverwort is a thallid. Example Markantia. So bryophytes plant body is a gametophyte and also a sporophyte. The thallus is a dorsiventral and closed opposite to substrate. The leaf members have the tiny leaf-like appendages in two rows on this stem-like structure. So asexual reproduction is liverworts takes place by the fragmentation of the thalli or the formation of specialized structures called gemme. So you can see here it will be antheridium and the archegonium, and these are known as the gemme cups. And the root-like structures is seen. These are known as the rhizoids. These are multicellular. So multicellular gemme are the green multicellular and asexual buds which develop into small receptacles called gemme cups located on the thalli. These become attached from the parent body and germinate to give new individuals. During the sexual reproduction, it can produce the two organs on either on the same thalli or the different thalli. The sporophyte is differentiated into the food, seta, and the capsule. After the meiosis, spores are produced within capsule. These germinate to form the free-living gametophyte. Next, coming to the mosses. Mosses is nothing but the can see in like in rainy season. It can be grown in surface areas. These are for pteridophytes, and the predominant stage of the life cycle of the mosses is the gametophyte, which consists of the two stages. Plant body is a gametophyte and it contains the two stages that is known as the protonema stage and leafy stage. Protonema stages which develops directly from the spore. It is a creeping green. It is a branched and frequently filamentous stage. And the second stage is nothing but the leafy stage. Develops from the secondary protonema as a lateral bud. They consist of the upright, slender axis bearing spirally arranged leaves. They are attached to the soil through multicellular and branched rhizome. This stage bears the six organs. Vegetative reproduction in mosses by the fragmentation and budding in secondary protonema. In sexual reproduction, the sex organs will be the antheridium and archegonium are produced at the apex of the leafy stage. After the fertilization, the zygote is developed into the sporophyte, consists of the same like as in liverworts, food, seta, and the capsule. The sporophyte in mosses more elaborate than in liverworts. So the capsule contains the spore. It doesn't contain the spores in the liverworts. Spores are formed after meiosis. The mosses have an elaborate mechanism of spore dispersal. So here the examples of the mosses are Funaria, Polytrichum, and Sphagnum. We'll go. Funaria already seen in the starting. These are known as the Funaria, and this is the Sphagnum. Sphagnum is nothing but the peat moss. So we can see the here examples of that. See here the examples and the polytrichum diagrams. can be seen like this polytrichum mosses. These are a polytrichum, and sphagnum looks like a peat moss. It can be used for gardening and all. If it is dry, it looks like this. If it is wet, it looks like this. Sphagnum it converted into like peat moss for the use of the gardening.